Hi, and welcome to another Excel demo with Rich Kerr. In this scenario, we're going to take a look at the count function, which will tell us how many numeric values are found in a given range of cells. With my sample data set, you can see I have a list of students with ID numbers, and the ID numbers are crucial because the count function will only count the number of cells containing numeric values. So I'm going to put my formula in cell F1. I'll start with the equal sign like we do with all formulas. The function is count. Now, you'll see in the drop-down list there are a number of other functions containing the word count as part of the function name, but this example is about the plain vanilla count function. Like every function, it will be followed by an opening parenthesis, and then we're going to reference the range of cells where we want the counting to take place. So I'm going to reference column A because that's where my numeric values are found. We'll do a closing parenthesis. And the reason for referencing the entire column instead of maybe just selecting A2 through A10 is that I want the count to continue to increment if I add more student IDs. So I'll hit my enter key and we can see that we currently have 9 students in our list. So if I add another student ID, as soon as that numeric value is entered, we see that the count increments up to 10, right? So that is the count function. I hope you found it useful. Please tune in again soon for more Excel demos with Rich Kerr. Have a productive day.